check some of our guavas, bayabas. Let's check. Oh yeah, there's one more. Oh no, not yet. Where else? Let's see. Let's try this. Oh yeah, this little one here. This one too. Where else? Are there anything else I left behind? Look guys. Oh, someone is actually here. Dodong. And look at our long beans. There you go. So little pa. Lugayan niya mo saka, uy. Let's take a look at our papaya tree. They're all eaten by uwak. Yun. There. Ubos na. Sila lang nakain dyan. Oh my. Hindi ko na ito nakita. Look. Ay, sayang. First bunga pa naman sana to. Look at that. Wala na. Kunin na natin to for mga chicken. Kasi makakain naman na sila doon, oh. Kabila. Ay, yung bangan. Ayun. Yung isa doon sa kabila. Oh my God. Where's the other papaya? May isang bunga dito. Oh no. Nasaan? Nalaglag on its own? Oh, wala na. Nasaan na kaya yun?